In the previous video, we explored how prisms and pyramids look like, their faces and their edges. In this video, let us try and find out the different surface areas and volumes. Let's first start with a prism, in particular this triangular prism, where the upper and lower base is a triangle. So, what do you think will be the lateral surface area? Simple, right? It's gonna be the sum of surface areas of all these faces excluding the two bases. Therefore, it's going to be the area of this rectangle L1B1 plus this rectangle L2B2 and this one L3B3. Now, if we say that the height of this prism is h, then L1 equal to L2 equal to L3 will be nothing but h. Therefore, this will become h into B1 plus B2 plus B3. Again, if you observe, B1, B2 and B3 are nothing but the sides of the base, and thus B1 plus B2 plus B3 is the perimeter of the base. Therefore, lateral surface area can also be written as the perimeter of the base into the height of the prism. Now, if LSA is this, then the total surface area will simply be equal to adding the area of the upper and lower bases to the LSA, or 2 into area of the base plus the perimeter into height. Next, coming to volume, it is simply equal to the general formula of area of base into height. So, if the base is a right angle triangle of sides 3, 4 and 5 and the height of the prism is 10 centimeters, then the volume of the prism will be half into 3 into 4, that is the area of the base into height 10 centimeters, which is nothing but 3 into 4 into 5 or 60 centimeters cube. So, these are the formulas for the surface area and the volume of a prism. The best part is these hold true for all types of bases. It can be square or hexagon or any polygon, and they won't change. Alright, let's now move on to the next figure, the pyramid, and let's, for our consideration, take this square base. Again, just like the prism, the formulas that we derive for this will be same for all types of pyramids. Now, this pyramid has a height, say h. So, what do you think will be lateral surface area for this? It will simply be the areas of all the triangles. Now, area of this triangle will be equal to half into base into height. But the height here is not the height h of the pyramid, but the slant height of the pyramid. Therefore, the area of this triangle will be half into base into slant height. Again, in this case, there are 4 triangles. Thus, lateral surface area will be 4 into half into base into slant height. And just like the prism, the 4 into base is nothing but equal to the perimeter. Therefore, the LSA is equal to half into perimeter of the base into slant height. Similarly, the total surface area will be nothing but the area of the base plus the LSA. Next, for finding the volume, let's apply a neat trick. You see, when you stack 6 such pyramids by joining them at this tip, they'll end up forming a cuboid like this, where each face is the base of the pyramid. Also, the height of such a cuboid will be 2 times the height of the pyramid, or 2h. Therefore, volume of the pyramid will be equal to 1/6 of the volume of this cuboid, or L into W into h by 6, where h is 2h. Again, L into W is nothing but the area of the base of the pyramid. Therefore, volume of the pyramid is equal to the area of the base into its height by 3. So, using these surface area and volume formulas, you can find whatever you need to find for any type of pyramid. In fact, you can also use the volume of a pyramid to find the volume of a sphere. You see, if you were to slice a sphere horizontally and then vertically, each piece that comes out will be like a pyramid. Therefore, volume of the sphere will be nothing but the sum of volumes of all these pyramids. If we take this pyramid and consider its base to be A1, then its height will be nothing but the radius of the sphere. Thus, its volume, as you have just seen, is 1/3 into A1 into R. If we were to add up the volume of all these pyramids, then you would get 1 by 3 r into sum of all the areas. Now, again, sum of all the areas is equal to the surface area of the sphere, or 4 pi r square. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is equal to 1 by 3 into r into 4 pi r square, or 4 by 3 pi r cube. So friends, in this video, we derived all the formulas for lateral surface area, total surface area and volume for prisms and pyramids. We also used the volume of the pyramid to find the volume of a sphere. Till next time, happy learning!